The space is full of extreme and massive objects. In the first part of the video, we gave you 4 enormous and extreme space entities. In the last part of this video, we will give you 4 more enormous and extreme space entities you might have never heard of before. Let us start right now. Number 5. Neutron Star. In comparison to other extreme celestial bodies, the neutron star is the smallest in size. Neutron stars are up to 19 miles in diameter, but they are extremely dense with an immensely strong gravitational pull. A neutron star is the remains of a star that is exhausted of hydrogen and helium and has collapsed onto itself. Unlike a black hole, neutron stars are visible, but they are very rare. The reason is that when a star dies, it can either become a white dwarf or a black hole, but if it is of the right size, it will end up as a neutron star. Number 6. Pulsar. Pulsars are rotating neutron stars that have all the features of a neutron star. From Earth, pulsars seem to be blinking, but actually, they don't blink at all. Pulsars have pulses of radiation at regular intervals and at a very fast rate, which is usually less than a second. Because of their very strong magnetic field, pulsars produce beams of light along the magnetic poles. Once a beam of light crosses the observer from Earth, it seems like blinking. Number 7. Magnetar. A neutron star with a magnetic field almost 1 trillion times stronger than Earth is known as magnetar. Magnetars are the most amazing objects in space after black holes. It has been estimated that a tennis ball-sized magnetar will weigh 1 billion times more on the surface of Earth. A magnetar is denser and has a stronger gravitational pull than a black hole, which makes it one of the space monsters. Magnetars are so rare that only 31 magnetars have been observed so far. Fortunately, there are no magnetars that are close to Earth, but if it happens to be, its strong magnetic field will destroy all living things on Earth. Number 8. Kilonova. Kilonova is one of the most incredible events happening in space. It is a clash of the titans. When 2 immensely dense heavenly bodies collide, a piercing afterglow is formed. That phenomenon is known as a kilonova. The 2 colliding heavenly bodies can be anything from neutron stars to black holes. Kilonova releases radiations that can be even noticed from the Earth. Though kilonovas cause a huge explosion, it is still of lesser magnitude than a supernova. I hope you liked the 2-part series on enormous and extreme space entities. We will love all sorts of feedback, and please suggest to us a topic that you would like us to make a video on. Finally, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Please stay tuned for the next related video.